dear students, welcome back to our online class. So this is your activity class. In our previous class we have learned how to make Rakhi. We have learned how to make this type of Rakhi by using the system of how to do with bread. Okay, so just like that way I made this once again. So we will make a flower Rakhi from this type of Rakhi. You can also put beads over this and it will look nice. Okay, so forget about this. Now we will make the flower Rakhi. Just cut the edges. Okay, and just fold it. Just fold it this way. Only you have to fold this. Okay. So now pull this out. So at the end put some glue and paste it. Okay, be careful, it will stuck on your skin. Okay, and paste this part also. Okay, let them dry, then you can put bead at the center. It will look nice. Then take a wool or you can take thread, and at the back of this put some glue and your Rakhi is ready. Okay, so this is your flower Rakhi. So your Rakhi is ready now. So you can wear this. Okay, so try to make it at home. Take care students. Tata.